So here is our course outline. First, what is penetration testing? Why we do penetration testing? Then difference between penetration testing versus vulnerability assessment. Also discuss some basic terms used in the course. Then you will learn type of penetration testing, position of the target and areas where it is performed. Then we will discuss 6 phases of penetration testing in a detail. Then you will learn how to create penetration testing lab. In this lab we will install VirtualBox and then Kali Linux install on a VirtualBox, then Metasploitable machine on a VirtualBox, and then Windows on a VirtualBox. And then you will learn how to create virtual network to connect these machines in our lab. Next, you will learn penetration testing process. The first process is reconnaissance and planning. Here you will learn lot of tools like whose tools, and then also dig tools, and then also what web tools, and how to the harvester work tool, and then for social media Sherlock tool, and also you will learn how to check a web application firewall, and then you will learn OSINT framework and also many other tools in this phase. Next, you will learn scanning and discovery phase. In this phase you will learn different lab scenarios, and then you will learn different tools we use in this phase, Nmap, NSS, OpenWAS, and then you will learn complete Nmap over the internet, and then you will learn Nmap on a local area network, and then you will learn how to find a vulnerability using Nmap scripts, and then you also learn how we can capture packets on a Wireshark and many other small tools as well. Next, you will learn exploitation. In this phase we will do practical labs all, and you will learn how to hack FTP, and then you will learn how to hack SSH, Telnet, SMTP, HTTP Apache, how to hack MySQL, how to hack Apache Tomcat, how to hack Windows 10, and how to hack Linux. You will also learn how to crack password using John and Rip tool, and you will also learn how to exploit many other services as well. Next, you will learn how to maintain access, how to key logging works, backdoor works, remote access work, and then we will create a backdoor and Windows on a lab environment, and then we will hack any phone and how to maintain access on a phone, and then you will learn clearing tracks. There are many things you can learn here: disabling auditing, clear browsing history, delete cookies, delete auto download programs, clear logs. Here you can also learn how we can remove logs in Windows environment. You will also learn in how to clear logs in a Linux environment, and then lastly you will learn how to generate a report to find vulnerabilities along with exploitation detail, impact and remediations. It is an excellent course for beginners and hope you will enjoy the course.